Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 GMC Canyon SLE Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9919A. 51,000 miles in this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Canyon brand new, dark slate metallic in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive limited lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Rear sliding window for extra ventilation along with defrost for greater visibility. Matching fiberglass cab. Locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. Bed mat for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, shift and fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, and integrated trailer brake control. Gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Canyon has a 3.6-liter V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles per gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Canyon, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.